So today, my daughter and I are going to be unboxing a set of China tea cups and saucers and plates that someone gave her for free. So if you'd like to see that, then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. And today I have a special guest, my younger daughter Gabby.
Hi.
And she is going to be unboxing some china that she received for free from someone my brother knew, and it's very pretty, so I can't wait to show you. So let's get started. Okay, Gabby, you want to start with the box on your side? You can lift it up on the table. It'll be easier for you, probably.
Okay, this one has the teacups in it.
Okay.
They
were really nice, and they gave us little cards to show us what the boxes had in them. So that's how we know this one has teacups.
Yeah. Alright, so this is what the teacup looks like. It's got an ivy pattern. Is that what it ivy?
Yes, that's ivy.
And then like gold trim on it.
And I don't know if you can see this, it has a little bump here on the handle, the gold trim along here, and then little pedestal feet at the bottom. And the pattern is called Kolka?
You can show.
I know, I'm reading it. I can't read it backwards. And it's made in England. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing that right, but it is bone china, and I'm going to show you. I think it's, try to, is it focusing?
I think so, yeah.
Okay, so those of you who can pronounce that better than I can, let me know how it's pronounced phonetically. So anyway, that's the cup.
These are all teacups in here.
Yeah.
Okay. There's no saucers. It's just the teacups.
Okay, so there were 11 teacups. There were probably 12 at some point and one got broken. So I'm going to just hand some stuff to you now.
Okay.
This might also, I think that's the creamer.
Is it?
Yeah. But you can open it. Okay, so this daughter and I share something very special. Some of you have heard this before, but she was actually born on my birthday.
Yup.
So we share a birthday.
And then that's what the creamer looks like. I like how it's very rounded.
Yes.
It's like a really unique shape.
It has a pretty shape. It looks almost gravy boat.
Yeah,
shaped.
like a little tiny
gravy boat.
It's got the same handle as the other one.
The nice thing about this pattern too is the pattern isn't just on one side. Look, on the ends of the cup opposite the handle, there's still a pattern of ivy with the little curly Q on it. And then it has it on the other side as well.
End
right, it goes all the way around.
I always really like footed china too, though.
And this is in excellent condition. It looks like it was hardly ever used. None of the gold trim is missing on any of the
on
pieces.
here either.
So
it goes all the way around.
Okay, so let's dig around. There's lots of tissue paper in these boxes.
Yeah, it was well packed.
Yep. So let's dig around and pull this out. This might be the sugar bowl, but I don't know. You can.
It might be another. I think it might actually be another creamer.
Oh yes.
There's two creamers.
This box says it has 1 sugar bowl, 2 creams, 11 bread and butter plates, and 8 saucers. So we may need to see if we can find you some more saucers because to complete the ones. So you can see they wrote it out for us. So this is nice. So you can put cream at either end of the table.
That's really nice.
And this feels like the sugar bowl.
Yeah, it does.
We need to get some containers for these. The dishes came wrapped in a china, one of those zippered china pouches, but the rest of them are all bundled up in this paper. Sorry for the noise, but oh, that's really pretty. The bowl.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It has the pattern going around all the way, and then inside, there we go. There's a leaf.
Oh, pretty.
Yeah.
There aren't anything in. Oh, there is a leaf inside the cup.
There's a leaf inside of all the cups. There's not one inside of the creamer though.
Yeah, look at that. So when you're holding it in your right hand,
you can see it.
You can see the leaf as you're sipping your tea.
is their top, or is it just a bowl?
I think it's just the bowl. It
Okay.
doesn't look like the type of bowl that would have a top.
There's
to
not like
it.
a ridge inside of
Right.
it, so it's probably just a
I think
sugar
it's
bowl
just
then.
like for sugar cube
Yeah.
type of things. Okay, which should I do now? Let's do the plate.
Okay.
Or whatever's in here. I don't know what's in here.
Maybe
I'm assuming it's plates,
yeah.
but it could be something
the
else.
the saucers, yeah. Too.
There's a lot of
so much
tissue paper.
packing. Well, we got lucky,
Yeah.
nothing's broken, hopefully.
Yeah. So there's some kind of, I don't know if these, they don't have a little ridge on them, so I'm thinking these
Those are
might
the
be the
salad?
bread and butter
Yeah,
plates.
that would make sense.
So this is what they look like.
They're like a
There's-
little smaller than a salad dish.
Yeah.
I would say just a little bit, but they look too big to be saucers.
Yeah, they look like bread and butter plates. They do.
Yeah.
So for you, this is a tea set, so you'd put your petit fours and finger sandwiches on here.
Scones.
Scones.
Jam.
Right.
Yeah.
And I think that's all that's in here. Yeah,
Just
this
the
appears to be all that's in here.
Okay.
However, I haven't counted them, so we'll see. Maybe these are the saucers. We'll pull out the other plates and see. 3,
4, 5, 6.
I think I'm getting near the bottom, so these might be the
7,
saucers.
8.
No, they're not, because there's more in here.
9. Yeah. They're it's a 6 1/4 inch bread and butter
Yes.
plate, so that would make sense.
There you go.
I didn't see that there was the
Is that
measurement.
11?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yep.
Okay, so those were the bread and butter plates. And then I'm going to pull out this stack of stuff here.
That's probably the saucer.
These look like saucers.
Yeah, they're much smaller.
So again, very well packaged, so they weren't going to get broken.
Yeah, these have indents on
Yes,
them for
okay.
there's the indent right there.
Okay, so we can. There we go.
They've got like a nice curve to them too, so they're
Yes.
easy to hold.
Yeah, they're not flat.
Cause
You can see that.
some cups and saucers, like you wouldn't want to use them if you were standing, like having an outdoor tea party.
Right.
But I think you could probably use these because they've got like a nice.
Okay, there's something in here. This is big. It wasn't on the card.
There's.
They feel like plates.
They said that there might be like serving dishes.
Oh yes, these are really cute. Look at that.
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, there's a couple of these really pretty serving dishes. They are not perfectly round. They have these little handles on the edge, so that's how I know they're serving dishes. So you could put your tea sandwiches, your whole lot
Yeah.
of tea sandwiches on there, or your pastry desserts. And there's another one too.
So two of those.
Yeah,
purple.
2 of
Nice.
those. Very pretty.
Could have like sweets on one side and then on one plate and then
Savories on the
savories on the
other.
other. Yeah.
And I think that's it.
And then the rest is just patty.
Yeah, the rest is just patty. So that's it. And what we're going to do now that we have unboxed this is we are going to set up for a tea party that I'll be showing in a tablescape in a future video. So if you'd like to see how we use this china, come back sometime. And do you want to say anything, Gabby? Oh, I put her on the spot just now.
I don't have anything planned.
Okay. So that's it. I appreciate all of you watching. And again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week. So why don't you go ahead and subscribe if you like this content. You can do so by clicking on the icon in the corner of the video or the subscription button in the description box down below. Thanks again for watching. I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.